path.symlink_do overwrites existing symlinks without warning, risking data loss. You can avoid that with os.replace in a single atomic move. Imports the path class from the pathlib module to enable object-oriented file system path manipulation. Imports the OS module to provide access to operating system-dependent functionality, such as file operations not covered by pathlib alone. Creates a path instance representing the file named target.txt in the current working directory. Writes the string literal original into the file referenced by the target path, overwriting any prior contents. Creates a path instance representing the symbolic link file name link_to_target in the current working directory. Begins exception handling context for attempting to create the symbolic link, allowing recovery if the target already exists. Attempts to create a symbolic link at the path link_target pointing to the file target.txt as specified by the target object. Catches the specific exception raised when Symlink creation fails because link_to_target already exists as a regular or symbolic file. Moves the existing link_target file to link_target old by appending a.old suffix, using os.replace for atomic replacement on most systems. Repeats the attempt to create the symbolic link at link_target pointing to target.txt, now that any conflicting pre-existing file has been renamed. Follows the symbolic link link_target to its target file target.txt, reads its contents as text, and prints the result. Always prefer os.replace. When you need safe Symlink creation, no silent overwrites. Subscribe for daily coding videos.